$242 just for the key fob. Okay, I'm gonna call the Ford dealership, see how much they're gonna charge, and have them make a new key fob.
Ford Parts, this is Kyle.
Hi Kyle, I'm trying to get a new key fob made for 2012 Ford Explorer.
For one of those remotes with the key, you're looking at $242.14 after tax, and programming is an additional, I believe, about $160. Now you'd have to make an appointment through service.
Okay, awesome, thank you. $242 for the key fob, $160 for programming, and I gotta drop the car off for the day. But let's see how it compares, Tom's Key Company versus the Ford dealership. The car key is $495 right now on our website. You get the key cut with our key by photo service. So we've got that. So the total cost is $169.90. Remember, a Ford dealership just told me it was gonna cost them $160 to program it. That's a whole lot less than the $400. You could probably do something with that $230. Let others know about your experience and come visit tomskey.com to place your order today.